Did you see that one at the shop yesterday?
Yeah. How do you turn them into Spider-Man?
I don't know.
Maybe let's move him. Make it turn into Spider-Man. Maybe let's move it to make it turn into Spider-Man.
Oh, you have to. Oh, look. There.
And open it up. There. Right?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe that's part of his arms.
What?
Maybe that's part of his arms.
Oh, that's his feet.
Ah, okay.
And he can do a wheelie. That's his transformer. Let's see. Oh, hey, it is. You can break it apart too, Daddy.
Yeah, I don't know whether you meant to break it apart.
You can fix it back.
Okay.
Daddy can try.
Yep.